So this is our tumble dryer drum fire pit. You see the colour on the side. How sick does that look? So it started off that silver colour. It's going that light grey colour at the top. Look at that inferno, mate. You can feel the heat from 3 metres back. Luce, this looks sick. The thing I like about these, as opposed to our old chimney, is you don't have to process all the wood. You just chuck big bits of pallet wood in there, big logs. You haven't got to chop it down and chop it down and chop it down. Just chuck it in there. You get a lovely fire like that. Plenty of heat. Let's see what the missus is up to. What are you up to, Luce? Have a look, love. Come here, show us what you're doing here. So this is what we took out of the tumble dryer. You talk us through what you're doing, Liz.
So I'm painting the
Get next to it, darling.
I'm painting this. It's a planter out of a tumble dryer.
Yeah.
And I'm painting it with cupola.
Cool.
Yeah.
So you've done a couple of coats, have you?
Uh-huh.
And what plant are we going to put in there, Liz?
A rhododendron.
Ah, rhododendron. Cool.
And it'll get big.
Fill it with soil.
Yeah.
It's our workshop. Tumble dryer we picked up for nothing. Back to the fire.